Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this wetsuit from Divmystery. Flexible beyond imagination. Let's check it out. So this has a couple of nice features, being like neoprene, stretchable. It features SBS zippers and with waterproofing behind them, so it's a little bit easier to or less easy, I should say, for the water to get inside. So here this is. Really nice and stretches out too, so more comfort and the stretchability up to one and a half times. Here on the front, I like these zippers. They're like really kind of larger, oversized zippers there. It makes it nice to get that inside and out. In and out. And it features this material behind the zipper here. It also has an adjustable neckline here with the Velcro, so you could make that nice and snug around your neck to reduce the water getting in. So yeah, looks like a nice wetsuit here. Go ahead and try it on real quick. All right, so actually this is pretty easy to get in and out of. This features some nice knee pads as well, some reinforced knees there, so that's good. Feels kind of warm. It's like tight around the ankles and wrists here. Actually has like a little rubber thing around the ends of your wrists and ankles here, so to keep the water out, I guess. And yeah, it's nice, like a pretty good fit here. Definitely stretchable. Doesn't feel like it's like limiting my movement at all. I can, you know, bend and move and stuff like that. So that's pretty nice. So pretty easy to get on and off. The zipper is, yeah, I like the zipper. It's nice and a big. It looks like it's going to be durable, and it has that lining behind it. So yeah, I might want to go to the beach here and check it out.
I don't feel anything. I can't. I literally just like painful.
The water's really cold. Do you feel anything at your ankles though?
I can't feel my feet.
Just try to go in and feel your ankles.
Dude, no.
I just want to see if you could feel it, if the wetsuit's helping or not.
Why don't you get a hose in the backyard and spray me down?
Okay. You try that, I guess. You want to get the whole experience, though.
You're not uploading. I can't. Cold.
Yeah.
Ah, my feet. I literally can't feel my feet.
All right.
Ah!
Well, thanks for trying, at least.
You get in the water. Try this. Dude, get over it.
It's so cold. You got the wetsuit on.
I put my feet in.
Dude, can you go into your ankles there and just see?
I'm gonna get in and put my ankles in, and I'm gonna get that dollar.
All right. Just go to ankle high. There we go. How's that feel?
I mean, I can't feel my toes.
Can you feel your legs though? Does it feel cold?
It actually hurts.
Does it feel cold on your legs though? All right. Well, guys, how about your ankles? You feel the wetsuit helps?
I didn't really feel it.
So he says he can't really feel it. So this water's just really cold right now. It's we got a lot of snow melting, so I don't know. I forgot to bring my thermometer to see how cold it was, but
put your foot in.
yeah, it's really chilly. But I mean, it seems like the wetsuit seems to help a little bit. Okay, trying it out at the ocean here. It's a beautiful day. Still, it's kind of cold. And running out into the ocean. Running out. Wow. Might be warmer. It might be warmer than the
than the water of the stream we were in there. Looks like he's not nearly as cold. It's not as cold? It's not as cold? How far did you go in? To the knees?
Huh?
You go into the knees?
Yeah.
Is it cold or not? Oh, that's cool. All right, my friend. So, works pretty good. It's comfortable. Just feet get a little chilly. So, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. See you next time.